Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following two screws. Remove the two 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink from the system board. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Use alcohol and a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all thermal grease off of the heatsink and processor. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the processor core. Align the mounting screw holes in the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and position the heatsink over the processor. Replace the two 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order.